Hi there today. We're going to have lots of fun learning how to play Tic Tac Toe. It's a cool game that's easy to understand, and I'll show you with clear explanations and pictures. Tic Tac Toe is also called Noughts and Crosses. It's like a puzzle game you can play with your friends. You need a grid that's 3 squares by 3 squares, kind of like a big piece of paper with lines on it. You can draw it on paper or play on a computer or tablet. When you play Tic Tac Toe, there are 2 players. One player is X and the other is O. You take turns putting your mark in an empty square. The goal is to be the first one to get 3 of your marks in a row. You can win by getting 3 of your marks in a row going sideways, up and down, or even diagonally. But if all the squares are filled and nobody has 3 in a row, it's a tie. That means nobody wins, but it's still fun to play. Now, here's a fun fact about tic-tac-toe. Did you know that the game is over 2,000 years old? That means people all around the world have been playing it for centuries. Isn't that amazing? Okay, now that you know how to play, let's try a game together. You can play with a friend, or if you want, you can even play against a computer. Are you ready? Let's go. Well, that was so much fun. See you next time. Thank you.